Good morning, everyone. Welcome to moving vlog number 2. So we are a few minutes away from our new apartment. We are super excited. Today is officially move-in day. We're planning to get our keys, our fob and everything, go upstairs, clean the apartment, and then move everything that we have in the car to the apartment. Now, the moving company has not shipped our items, so we don't have any pots or pans. We really can't cook. I don't know when they're gonna get here. So we'll just get a few items from the grocery store. Then we'll go to IKEA to get a few things. We'll take some measurements. And yeah, that's the plan. We'll see you guys at the new apartment. Bye.
Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria. Doce Bahia.
Hey guys, so we made it to the apartment. Here is the official empty apartment tour.
Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha no alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da Cira.
So, what do you guys think about the new apartment? It's much smaller than what we're used to in Texas. The bedroom is smaller. There's only one closet. There's not a lot of storage in the bathroom. That's what we get for moving. But I mean, it's just as nice. There are really nice amenities here. Gym, fitness center, there's fitness classes. There's a rooftop deck, which I'll show you later. But the key is stuck in the door. We don't know how to get the key out. This is actually our first time having an actual key. We're used to only having fobs. So the key is stuck. We're gonna have to call front desk to get that fixed. But yeah, I like it. It's just I have to figure out how I'm gonna organize things and place, everything. But I'm really happy. I love that there's a lot of natural light. But yeah, I'm super excited to be here. So we have a whole bunch of things in the cart right now. We're gonna go back out and take everything from the cart and bring it back here. So we might have to take like 1 or 2 more trips, and then we'll start cleaning.
Fecho o vidro, Doce Bahia, no alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capilinha no alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Tem jacaré e capelinha. Tem jacaré e capelinha.
Hey guys, so an hour has passed. We cleaned up the kitchen, the bathroom. I used the bathroom for the first time. It smells amazing. I did mop the floors. We are good to go. I am so hungry. So we are gonna take the car and do our first grocery here in the new apartment. Again, I don't have pots and pans. I only have plastic forks and spoons and a couple of napkins. So I can't do a lot of grocery shopping. I'm just gonna get like a few items like toilet paper, paper towel, fruits, couple snacks, couple of drinks. That's about it. So let's head to Whole Foods. So we are leaving IKEA right now. I wasn't able to get a lot of footage because an employee came up to me and said, I cannot film and I don't want to kick you out. So you have to put the camera away. I was like, you have to tell me twice. I still want to continue shopping. So I was not able to film. I will do an IKEA and Target haul once I get home. So we're going to put all the items in the car. And then our last stop is Target. I'm going to see if there's a Container Store nearby. If not, then it's just Target. Okay, so we made it to Target. We had to deal with so much traffic, but I'm a little confused. Things are locked up here. I have never been to a Target where like a lot of the products were locked up. I've seen it in Walmart. Certain aisles, a lot of people like to steal certain products, so they like lock it up. I've seen it at CVS, but never Target. Like, this is the third aisle that's locked up. I don't know why, but that is interesting. We have a list of things that we are going to buy, so let's go ahead and get started. You guys, I am back home. We spent a total of 3 hours out. We were at IKEA, Target. Yeah, I think it was just IKEA and Target. And there was traffic. Oh my gosh. By the time I know, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's 8 p.m. and we left at 5. Crazy. So for dinner, we are having some jollof rice. My mom cooked a whole bunch of jollof rice. Do you see this? Big bowl of it. And then she also made some oxtail with some fish. Came in handy. We got some paper plates from Target. And we are just warming up our dinner now. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I bought from Target and IKEA. I will be doing a haul after I'm done eating. And then the last thing I want to do is just set up the internet. Okay guys, it is time for the haul. It's around 9 p.m. so it is a little dark. There is no light in the living room, which is just very weird to me. I don't know, it's just, I don't know why there's no light here. Yeah, I don't see anything. So we're definitely gonna need a lamp in the living room. Hopefully you guys can see me. Hold on. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get used to this. Oh, how about we do it this way? I feel like that's better. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all the IKEA stuff I got first, and then I'll show you the stuff that I got from Target. Okay, so the first thing I got are these suction cup hooks. They're called Tiskin. We only have, I wanna say like a one towel holder for the bathroom. And there's 2 of us and we need another one. So I thought, like, why not get one of these hooks? And then I could also use them for the cabinets for hanging, I don't know, towels, like dish rags, stuff like that. So I thought these would be useful. So I got a pack of 2. And then I got a hand soap dispenser for the bathroom. So then I got these for pots and pans. Like when I cook and I want to set aside the pot and pan from, you know, the stove, I can place it on these instead of the counters. And then I got 2 soap dispensers. These are for the kitchen. One is for hand soap and one is for dish soap. And then the last thing I got from IKEA are these, I want to say organizers, but they're like suction cups. So I can stick them onto the kitchen cabinets, like the doors. When you open them, there's 2 doors. I can stick them on so that I could put like sponges or cleaning products or, you know, dish pods in them. So I got 4 of these. Oh, actually, I did buy this, a drill, because we're going to be assembling a lot of furniture and I can't use just a screwdriver. Like all that manual work, I'm not going to do that this time. So we got a drill. Okay, moving on to the items that I got at Target. I actually got this for free. The cashier gave this to me. I don't know why, but I said thank you. So this is shampoo and sunscreen. Gave it to us for free. Okay, we got dish pods, parchment paper, unbleached. I got a pack of 2. I use the oven a lot. Next thing I got here is a Brita. We had to buy a water filter. Our last apartment, we didn't have to buy a Brita because the fridge had a built-in water filter, so it was just perfect, but we had to buy it. It's a little bit annoying because sometimes I don't remember to fill it up, and then when I get thirsty, I'm like, oh shoot, there's like no more water, or you know, you have to keep buying these like filter replacements, so it's a little annoying, but we had no choice. There's no built-in water filter in this fridge, so yeah, I do what we got to do. I got some disinfecting wipes. I got this Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap Tea Tree. You guys, I'm sure you guys have heard of this, but there's multiple uses. You use it for laundry, dishes, your face, body wash, shaving, wash your fruits and veggies. Makeup brushes you can use it for, you can dilute with water to make like an all-purpose spray. It says you can use it for camping, plants, mop, foam soap, a lot of usages. So I went to get this. I got a duster. I never bought a duster before. I normally, like, if something's dusty, I just like wipe it down with like a paper towel and like, I don't know, multi-purpose spray. But I wanted to get a duster this time, so that's what I got. What else? We got a shower curtain. I got a bath rug. This is for the sink. I actually got I think it's a stone mat for the shower area. I'll show you that later on, but this is just for the sink. Cute, cute. Okay, we got a couple more things. So I got this basket. This is gonna be used for the bathroom to store like all the toilet paper. I got a bag charm. I'm actually gonna use this for my keys because I had to return my keys at my previous apartment. I was like, oh shoot. I just got my apartment key, my mailbox key, and a fob, and I don't have anywhere to store them. So I got this cute one. So it's a bag charm, but I'm gonna use it for my keys. Cute. Ziploc. I got these command strips. These are damage-free hanging. So what I plan to do is I plan to use these to store like my Swiffer, so my mop and my Swiffer duster in the closet. So it's not on the floor. I want it to be hanging. So I got these. Got new toothbrush heads for my electric toothbrush. Sponges. And then what are these? Oh, I got silicone oven mitts. I usually have like the fabric one, you know, the thick fabric one, but I don't like it. There's just so many food stains on it, and I've washed it multiple times, and I just can't get the food stains out. So we're gonna go with the silicone one. I think these are easy to just like wipe down. Got that. Of course, I can't use it now because I don't have any pots or pans. I got nothing, no knife, nothing. We got some hand soap. Oh, my favorite bars. Aloha bars. Now Target has Aloha bars. Well, this Target. A few more items left. Okay, got a shower caddy. I am not using those adhesives. You know those adhesives, like the long ones, you stick them on, the shower tile, and then you have like a shower caddy and you just stick them on. They're great because they don't fall off. When it's time to take it off, it's a pain. If you saw moving vlog number 1, which you should have, you will see how difficult it was for me to take it off. Like, it's so hard. And then the instructions say, oh, use a blow dryer, right? To remove the glue. There's no outlet near the shower. There's no outlet near the shower, so I couldn't use a blow dryer to remove it. So I had to use a butter knife, a screwdriver, a random tool just to remove all of those adhesives. I'm not dealing with it anymore, so I got this shower caddy. What else did I get? I got a toilet plunger, got a new one. I don't know, I feel like it's weird bringing the one that I used at the previous apartment to this apartment. I don't know. I just want to start fresh, so I got a new one. Got a trash can. It's light blue. I don't know if you can tell, but it's light blue. And this is for the bathroom. And then lastly, I got some baking soda. Ooh, yikes. That was a shower caddy. I got some baking soda. I did some research, and water alone is not enough to really thoroughly clean your fruits and veggies. So I'm gonna start mixing baking soda and water together to clean my fruits and veggies. I know some people use vinegar. I'm just gonna use baking soda because I don't like that aftertaste with vinegar. Well, I guess if you rinse it well, you shouldn't taste the vinegar afterwards. The times where I have tried it after someone cleaned it with vinegar, I tasted it and I was like, ew, this tastes nasty. Okay, so I feel like relaxing for a bit and having dinner gave me some energy. So what should I start with? Maybe I should start with the bathroom. I'll start with the bathroom and then I'll hang these up. We'll do a little bit of organizing tonight, even though it's late. We'll do a little bit and then I will do the rest tomorrow. You guys, I was just about to put up the shower curtains and I'm looking at it and I'm like, why is it so small? And I'm like, where are the holes? I'm like, what is going on? What's going on? So I go back to the package and it says blackout curtain. These are not shower curtains. It says 1 panel included. Reading is fundamental. I went to the bathroom aisle for the kids. Well, I thought it was a bathroom aisle, but I just saw the curtains. I was like, oh, great, let me just, and it was right across from the aisle where the regular curtains were. So I thought, okay, well, these look like curtains. I should have read it. But these are blackout curtains. So let me take these, fold it up. I'm going back to Target tomorrow. It's so unfortunate. Dang it. And these are so cute too. I was like, why does it look like this? Where are the holes? But I'm gonna fold this up and I'll return it tomorrow. Very unfortunate because it's so pretty. So cute. Look how small it is. Oh. just spent an hour or so putting away stuff, organizing. I just want to show you what I have done. I think I did pretty good. So this is what the bathroom is looking like so far. Here's a soap dispenser. I didn't realize that this was going to be like this tall. It doesn't look right. I mean, I don't know how I feel about it right here. I think over here makes a little bit more sense so people can actually see it, I guess. Have the rug over here. I put a couple of our products inside here already. Now I do have to be mindful of the height of this. Our lotion, so this one, does not fit, as you can see. So I have to keep that in mind when I buy products in the future. We got the trash can. There we go. This is how it's looking so far. Now, I normally don't buy these because they just always move around. They did come with this suction here, so I'm just hoping it doesn't move around when I have to like remove stuff and all that. I think it's sturdy. Well, not that sturdy, but it is what it is for now. These are so great. IKEA, love these. At first I thought it wasn't working, but you have to like push it in. I thought you just like hold it for 30 seconds like command strips. No. It doesn't work like that. So you push it in and you hear it pop. So that's where towels are gonna be. And then I was gonna put one towel here, but I was like, oh wait, we need a hand towel. So the hand towel will be here. Still need to replace the shower curtain. I do want to get some pictures, make it a little bit more colorful, but that's what we got going on for right now. And then I added these to the cabinet. I think it looks really nice. So I got one here, and then I have a hook here, which I'll put our like dishwashing gloves here. And then I have a couple more of these, so I might put one here for like maybe like a rag if you want to clean. We'll just hang it up there and we'll rotate it. Now I have the cleaning supplies here, which I will remove. I want to use this for other things like the big appliances like my rice cooker, my blender and all that. I have to fit all that in here and in here. The cleaning supplies will go somewhere else, but for right now, I'm going to keep it here. Again, I will film another organizing video. I want everything to be organized and have a place. And then I have one here. I might put like my small appliances, like not appliances, but like there are several parts to my juicer. I'll probably put them in here. There are a couple of parts to my blender that are like really small. I can put that here so everything's organized. And then I have, let's see, I have two more of these, so I might put them here. But this is in the way. I didn't really think about it until I added it. I was like, gotta make sure it doesn't hit this. But I placed it at a good level so it doesn't hit it. So I don't know about putting another one right here because I need this space. So if I need to add another one, I'll just maybe add it over here. That's what it's looking like. I put the parchment paper in Ziploc bag here. Yeah, I don't know about this. I mean, this, I was going to use it for utensils, forks, spoon, knives, and all that. But we'll see. Let's see. Okay, so over here, I absolutely love this. I got my duster and mop. So cool. And then the vacuum is a little too thick to put in here. So we'll have to figure out where to store it. But that's what I got going on. Oh, and then I have the soap dispenser. So the left one is the dish soap. Right one is a hand soap. Yeah, so that's everything I did for now. It is almost 11 p.m. Well, actually, it's 11:26 right now. Now, I do want to set up the internet, even though I am able to use Safari right now, and I'm not, there's no internet set up. We have nothing set up. So, maybe I don't have to do it tonight. But I think I just want to get it done because tomorrow is another day and there's like other things to do. So I'm gonna quickly do that. Take a shower because I was sweating like crazy. But I feel like I accomplished so much today. Oh, also, so remember how I showed you guys we got the Brita and the replacement filters? The only reason why I got this is because I didn't think like the faucet, this part, we could remove. I didn't think it was removable, but then I removed it. I was like, oh wait, we can get a faucet filter instead, so we don't need the Brita. Because this just takes up a lot of room in the, not a lot of room, but it takes up room in the fridge. And you have to remember to like fill it up with water. Sometimes I'm thinking there's water there, like there's filtered water there, and then I go and I'm so thirsty, I'm like, oh shoot, like I didn't like fill it up. So there is like there's a faucet, like water filter where you can attach to your sink. So I think that's a little bit better. So I'm gonna return the Brita, the filter tomorrow. I kept the receipt just in case. And then I found this brand called Pur, P-U-R. I don't know if it's Pure or Pur. I think it's Pur. I don't know why they didn't add the E. Like pure sounds better, like pure water. I don't know. But I'm gonna buy that instead and then attach it here. And then I'm thinking about replacing the shower head. There's some green stuff on it. I did wash it with baking soda, Dawn soap. I scrubbed it like crazy. But I don't know, the green stuff is still there. And this is kind of like the first time we've moved in where there was like a previous resident. Like a lot of, all the apartments that we lived in, like we were the first residents because it was a new building. So I'm like, I'm seeing some, like, there's scuff marks, there's dirt here, and I'm like, ugh, I don't know. The shower head just grosses me out. And then there are marks in the bathtub that I can't get out, unfortunately. Like, I know it's clean because I cleaned it, but I can see it, I'm like, ugh, and I've never, even like the stove here, let me show you. We did take note of this, but do you see these, look. These marks, look, it's all scratched up. And I'm not used to that because all of our previous apartments, we were the first residents to live in that unit. So everything was new. Like there's a lot of marks here. I think I can get these out, but I'm just like, it's not a big deal. But kind of wish they did something about this. Not a big deal. It's just like all cosmetics, but there's a lot of scratches here. And then the shower head is green, so I think I want to see if I can remove it so then I can get a replacement. That would be great. So I can get like a new shower head, but also like a handle. You know what I'm talking about. I want to get one of those, but we'll see. I'll try it out, and if I can remove it, I'll go to Target to like return all those items and then look for a new shower head. If not Target, then Amazon. Yeah, maybe Amazon. But yeah, let me set up the internet and then I'm gonna call it a night. So I went ahead and set up the internet. I actually had to call Verizon because they had to activate it. We're all good with that, but I couldn't film. Do you know why I couldn't film that process? There are no lights in the bedroom. There's a switch in there. So I was like turning it on, turning it off. I'm like, what is going on? I look up and I look at the ceiling. I'm like, I don't see any lights. There are no lights in the bedroom. Huh? Who designed this place? No pantry, only one closet, no lights in the bedroom, nor living room. There are no lights in the living room. It's just dark. And the same thing for the bedroom. You see this? There's a switch here. Nothing happens. Like, what? It is so dark in there, and I know there are windows, so maybe that was the idea. Like, the resident doesn't need lights during the day because there's a huge window. So you just pull up the blinds and there's natural light. But when it gets a little late, I mean, what am I supposed to do? So now I need to get multiple lamps. We have one, but I think I'm gonna buy like 2 more. It's so interesting. There are no lights. Not trying to complain. I'm grateful. I'm happy that I have this apartment, but it's like I just don't understand. It's like it's not making sense. But it's all right. It's all right. So I took a shower. Shower works fine. Water pressure is good. It was hot because there was at one point where I lived in an apartment and there was only hot water for like the first 5-10 minutes of the shower, and after that it just became warm and then cold. And the next person who took the shower had to wait like 10 minutes for the hot water. No problem this time, all good to go. I started a load of laundry. I made sure I, deep clean the washer and dryer beforehand. So I started one load. We should be good to go. Got the internet set up. Tomorrow it's gonna be more organizing, decluttering, and then assembling the bar stools and a couple of other things. I should be getting a couple of other packages tomorrow. I might go for a run, explore the neighborhood. So excited to do a little bit more of that and like get out and get back into working out, because I haven't worked out in a long time, like 3 weeks, because of vacation and then packing. Like literally every chance I got after work, I just focused on packing, calling the internet provider, calling the electricity provider, getting a certificate of liability, like making so many calls. It was just a lot. You guys know how moving is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about this apartment, and I will see you guys in moving vlog number 3. See ya!